let's try this year. I want to try something a little bit different.
Whenever you're ready.
All right.
Come on up.
Woo!
And follow the sun, kick off your shoes and have some fun.
Bobby ran into some technical difficulties.
Yes, I'm a bit overweight.
Yeah, he didn't have a scale to wait at home and waited till last minute to make these.
So what do you think? You think you're gonna win today? Yeah? Do you think you're gonna win today? Yeah? So this is their first one ever. We'll have to see how it goes. All right, Talya's up. Talya's race is coming up. Let's see how she does. All right, here we go. Oh, that was a little anticlimactic. All right, up next is Brody's car. Let's see how he fares. See if his car actually makes it down the track.
Okay, and we're off in 3, 2, and 1, and don't freak out.
Oh no. All right, up now we got Cohen's car. Third time's a charm.
And we're off.
Made it across the finish line at least. Okay, we're making progress. It made it across the finish line. We'll see. Maybe the wheels just need to get warmed up. We'll see how good they do this time.
Okay, well, here we go.
All right, you and Brody are in it.
See mine. Michael, you're
Something wrong with Brody's car.
Oh, wow.
Good try, bud. It was okay. Last place. So Cohen's cars came in last place, but at least it's crossing the finish line. I think there's something wrong with the other two kids' cars. Brody's car, not doing so hot. There's everyone else's.
You're all clear. You take your ball.
Daddy,
Yeah? What's up, bud?
I want to go sit down over there.
Okay, you can go sit down over there.
No, it's you.
All right. Hi, darling. You having fun? Careful. Go sit with mommy.
No, you gotta go closer. The other.
Yeah, squeeze in a little bit. There you go. You Instagram that pic, mommy. You Instagram that pic good.
You need to go like this.
Careful, don't knock the thing.
Here.
Oh, okay, now the photographer knows what she's doing now. All right. All right, thanks, guys. So she's been a daddy's girl all morning long, haven't you? Always want held. Everywhere we go.
I'm the baby, so you know, the youngest of 4, so you'll do it for me, right, Daddy?
Well, of course. Otherwise, it's just screaming and crying. Okay, so here's the status update on the races. It was a complete disaster. Half the time our cars didn't even cross the finish line. Unfortunately, Brody's car never crossed the finish line. But towards the end of all the different races and heats, Cohen's and Talya's car was actually crossing the finish line and actually beat 2 or 3 cars. So they didn't come in last every single time, so that felt good, sort of. But they're still disappointed. It was just all in all a complete disaster. All right, it's almost done. We're gonna hit some lunch. and then we're gonna go hit the outdoor expo. I gotta do a better job next year.
There you go. That is good. Italian.
Let me see, bud. All right. Cool. Gotta love the participation awards. All right, guys, we are now at the Outdoor Expo. Is this indoor or outdoor, by the way? All right, guys, we're trying to find parking at the Outdoor Expo.
Because this is a popular time to come. He got it.
Well, we have to walk a million hours.
There might be somebody selling them because it's an outdoor expo.
Drone. Every year we order this popcorn because it's the best. Okay, you know what to order, bud. What are you gonna order?
And the
Picker.
Outback got an 84.
What size would you like?
And it's a couple thousand.
Say the big bag.
Be that.
Okay. Oh, really?
Big bag it is.
$10.
Okay, here we go. Here you go. You gonna hold it? You got that log of popcorn? Yep. See ya. That's freaking hilarious. Who do we have here?
This is Ichabod.
Who?
Ichabod.
Ichabod. Oh, there we go.
What are you thinking?
Brody, go give a high five. Do it.
Go give him a high five. Really? Yeah, I'll give him a high five.
Camera's on, means you have to do it.
You give him a high five.
No.
He's like-
Doggy. Ah.
He has to make sure he's on this side of the stroller. He jumps off furniture and windows and all kinds of stuff, but he's afraid of a stuffed dog.
Stop.
We might be waiting in line for a while.
Or is that for that show?
No, I think it's for the snowball room. I don't know. So we're trying to pick some events where we don't have to wait in line for like 20, 25 minutes. Try and cram in as much as we can. Usually face painting goes pretty quick. Let me see it. Oh yeah. High five. Oh yeah. We definitely had to make sure we got that on camera because we got Talya doing face painting a bunch of other times at other things, but I'm pretty sure that's the first time that Brody did it. So, do that again.
Ooh, hold on. Look at Talya.
Yeah.
Here goes Talya.
Let it go. There you go. This time, let it go. Bring it down.
Good job, Talya.
Nice one.
One more. There you go. Yeah. Let it go. There you go.
Oh, good one, Cohen.
Bring it down just a little bit more.
Good job, Talya.
Back harder. You hit one, you hit two.
Yeah, you can shoot.
There you go.
Righty?
Okay, Boy Scouts, we should be able to know how to shoot. You done this can?
All right, Cohen, let's get a balloon here.
There you go, right like that. Now you go.
Oh, good job, bud.
How you doing there, buddy? How are you? All right.
So what's this guy's name? I need that guy to tell my kids what to do when they're not listening to me.
He's our silent partner.
Say that again?
He's our silent partner.
There you go.
How about liking us on Facebook?
I can do that.
Can you do that?
I will
really
do that.
Appreciate that. Tell them Frank and Bob said hello, okay?
I will do that.
Thanks a lot, buddy.
I think I'm okay with not being zapped.
We won't zap you.
You can zap her though. I mean, I'm fine with that.
Anyway, here's a zapper. If you want to get a little kick here, here's how it works. Are you ready to go?
Whoa.
We'll give you a little zap here. It's no big deal. We'll do it again for you, all right?
Woo.
How's that? That'll scare him away. Now, you can get big bugs with this thing, too.
Yeah.
If there's a big bug flying over the swimming pool, all you got to do is get him down, okay?
Or
No
bats.
problem.
We got bats are flying over our swimming
Oh,
pool.
if there's bats there, up in the air there, okay? No problem.
How much is it?
$35.
$35.
Everybody's got to
That's your whole bank account. So we're getting ready to do this zip line up here, and Talya's a little afraid. It's easy. It's not that high. It only looks like it's 100 feet when you're up there.
Shield in my ear.
I'm just kidding.
There's Talya. She's getting ready to go. Oh my word. Here she goes. Come on, baby girl.
And we did the straight on GoPro shot. Let's try this year. I'm gonna try something a little bit different.
Whenever you're ready.
All right.
Come on up.
Here goes Daddy.
Oh, I know. I had a GoPro last year. I was like, I need to get a far away shot this year. All right. Little adrenaline rush gives me some more energy. Good job.
There's the boys playing in the snow. They found the last little pile outside of the outdoor expo. And are being boys. All right, the boys are getting ready to go in the moon bounce.
I wish they had these kind of things when I was a kid. They had like blow up things when I was a kid, but not like this elaborate. At least not that I remember. They didn't have like a stadium, a blow up stadium for kids. What's up, dude?
Daddy, keep on pointing right here.
Okay.
See me, Daddy?
Yep.
No, you have to go the other way.
There we go. Baby Kellyanna's trying. There she is. Oh, she's falling boom boom. Help her get up on the slide. There she goes. She wasn't sure about it though.
There she is. Are you having fun?
Over here!
Are you having fun?
That's a cute smile.
So this is actually the last year that they're doing the outdoor expo. I'm not sure what they're gonna do next year. Probably gonna do something in the spring. I hope they do something in warmer weather. Julie went back inside with the little kids. She's a little too cold. Talya wants to play the human foosball. So But that's what I need to keep my kids in the yard.
Turn to the side to kick it.
Well, you gotta figure out a way to do it.
Why is that fox eating a duck?
I don't know why. What do you think, Miss Kellyanna? Huh?
A bite!
Yeah. The boys are fascinated by this. All right, now it's time for a snowball fight. Go throw it. Go throw it at people. You're allowed to throw it at people. I know, usually I say not to throw things and not to hit people, but now it's allowed. Whoa, look at that. Fun. Because here goes Cohen. I don't know if you can see him. He's throwing stuff at me. You're supposed to duck behind the walls, buddy, so you don't get hit. Oh yeah, I got you.
You can get them filed down and painted. Put a little polish on there. Those nails are for climbing, not for scratching. He would never dream of hurting you with his nails. Where are we going? No, we're not leaving. They have about 30,000 quills.
Okay, so we knew Talya was going to be into this. Oh my word, Talya.
Look over here. Look at the camera.
It's awesome. Look at Snakes.
All right.
Yes, the snake's looking at the
Good
camera.
job.
Oh, it's so gooey.
How'd the snake feel?
Weird.
Are you going to do it, Cohen?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Yeah, we definitely knew Talya was going to be the one to jump on that. She's definitely the more adventurous one. Talya, that was awesome. High five. All right, so that's going to be it for the Outdoor Expo today. And I think we're all officially shot.
I'd say so.
But it was a very successful day. Kids had a blast. They're going to sleep very good, that's for sure. I know the baby's worn out. I know the kids are worn out. I know the mamas and dads are worn out.
Although they still have enough energy for Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, they still have enough energy to request Chick-fil-A for dinner. Really?
And every time you wake up, there's a new day that's calling out your name. Come join the game. Well, that's life. Take what comes along the way. That's love. Let it grow stronger every day. There's joy as the days go passing by. There's hope, a better life for you and I. We take our dreams and fly. Together we can try.